Today, we'll be showing you how to save and load your test settings on Vektrex-developed Control Panel. This feature makes it easy to share your configurations between team members or facilities. Doing so reduces operator error by keeping test parameters identical. The file can also be shared to professionals at Vektrex for advanced support. The settings we'll be saving today are Current Source, Digitizer, and Digitizer 2. If your test instrument does not include digitizers, the save and load process is the same. Email support@vektrex.com to upgrade your unit and unlock the powerful capability. Let's begin. First, open Control Panel and connect to your instrument. Then, hover to the Current Source tab and enter your test settings. Remember to verify that everything is correct for the test you want to accomplish. Once finished, click Apply. Next to the Current Source tab, you'll find your Digitizer tabs. When selected, your Digitizer settings will appear to the right of your screen. Enter your desired settings for each digitizer. Settings for Current Source, Digitizer and Digitizer 2 will be saved in one file. When finished, hover to File, and click Save Source Settings As. Enter your file name and click Save. To load your test settings at a later time, connect to your instrument. None of the previously set configurations will be automatically applied. The values will be in their default setting for all tabs. To load your test settings back in, click Open Source Settings under File. Select and open your test. All of the previously saved settings will be applied. If you have any questions regarding your Vektrex product, email info@vektrex.com. We'll be happy to serve you.